So different colors.
Yes. All of the suites are either purple or red. In the executive suites anyway.
So it's like private apartment.
Yeah, yeah, and they're all in the corners. So you get a really nice outlook in all of the suites.
So very bright room.
It's very bright, yeah. Yeah, it's a really great outlook from here. You get a great cityscape view. So you can see in the summer, like all of these patios are lined with the restaurants that come down here. Obviously Vancouver's a lot busier in the summer than it is in the winter.
But now you're still very busy.
It's still busy, yeah. But the rain should kick in a week or two and then there'll be less people.